The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Nikolaev Kryvyi Rog direction, the maneuver of Russian troops to the prepared positions on the left bank of the Dnieper River is underway in strict accordance with the approved plan. In Kupiansk direction, the enemy with up to 2 companies reinforced by nationalists and foreign mercenaries made unsuccessful attempts to attack units of Russian troops in direction of Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic. Through the active action of our troops and artillery fire, the enemy units were stopped and dispersed on the far approaches to the defense line. Over 90 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank and 4 armored fighting vehicles have been eliminated. In Krasny Liman direction, Russian troops thwarted an attempt by 2 reinforced platoons of the Ukrainian armed forces to attack Stelmakhovka and Ploshchanka of Lugansk People's Republic. As a result of the shelling, the enemy's losses were 70 Ukrainian servicemen killed and wounded, 1 infantry fighting vehicle and 3 pickup trucks. In the South Donetsk direction, a counter-attack by Ukrainian armed forces units has been repulsed near Nikolskoye of Donetsk People's Republic. Russian artillery and army aviation destroyed up to 55 fighters, 1 tank and 2 armored fighting vehicles. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have hit 2 command posts of the Ukrainian armed forces and foreign mercenaries near Nikolaev and Sukhoy Stavok of Kherson region, as well as 46 artillery units in fire on positions, manpower and military equipment in 153 areas. 3 US-made AN-TPQ-50 counter-battery radar stations have been destroyed near Krasny Liman in Donetsk People's Republic, Novogrigorovka in Kherson region and Novopoltavka in Nikolaev region. Fuel depot for the Ukrainian Armed Forces military equipment has been destroyed near Annovka in Dnepropetrovsk region. The Ukrainian Armed Forces artillery munitions depot was destroyed near Novoalexandrovka in Nikolaev region. 1 Su-25 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force has been shot down by Russian Aerospace Forces fighter aircraft near Malomykhailovskaya in Nikolaev region. 1 Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopter has been neutralized near Rusdvyanka in Zaporozhye region. 9 unmanned aerial vehicles were shot down by air defense facilities near Golikovo and Chervonopopovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Kirillovka, Yegorovka and Novoandreevka in Donetsk People's Republic, Vasilyevka in Zaporozhye region, and Vesoloye and Krynki of Kherson region. In addition, 21 HIMARS and Olha multiple launch rocket systems projectiles were intercepted near Vysokoye, Tomarino, Antonovka, Nikolskoye and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region, as well as 3 HARM anti-radiation missiles near Guselskoye of Donetsk People's Republic, Nikolskoye and Korsunka in Kherson region. In total, 333 airplanes and 173 helicopters, 2,479 unmanned aerial vehicles, 388 air defense missile systems, 6,491 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 885 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,564 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,158 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.